What if you miss a trade? Imagine you analyze the chart correctly and find the entry position. But for some reason, I don't know, some emergency call or any other reason, you miss the trade. And when you come back to the chart, you will see a big trend has occurred and you missed it. And you missed a lot of money in that trade. What you should do in this position? In fact, it doesn't matter. In trading, it happens a lot. Trading is not like normal life. Maybe in normal life, there is not many opportunity for everyone. But in trading, there is. Even in some nations, there are a lot of proverbs about if you miss a fortune, you will never get another one. But in trading, it's different. In trading, there will always be opportunity for trading. If you miss some great opportunity today, you will get something tomorrow or next day after tomorrow. So if you miss an opportunity in trade, forget about it. Try to refresh your mind and wait for next opportunity. It's a long-term career. You will miss some opportunities for sure, but you will get a lot. So if you miss an opportunity, don't be obsessed about it. Don't think about it too much. Try to avoid to repeat the same scenario again, but don't think about it too much. Okay? Forget it. And fresh your mind for the next trade. There will always be next opportunity in trading world.